Hello, what is going on, lovely people? So today we are going to be looking at my first ever animation in Blender, and I can already tell this is going to be a weird one because that tail looks very strange. So we'll go ahead and go through this, and I'm going to give a rating at the end to the actual animation itself, and I'm also going to look at the composition, the materials, the performance, and the cinematic. Alright, so without further ado, we will go ahead with our little horsey right here, and we'll press play. Alrighty, the first thing that I can notice, the horse's body is a little bit out of proportion. The neck is kind of it's like squished in a little bit, and then this tail doesn't move. If you see this, you come back. The tail doesn't move, and then we have this bit as well. This is not clipped, look. So if you notice the stomach, it's kind of, you can see on the inside, this shouldn't be here, this should be up here. As far as the neck goes, it's almost like the horse doesn't have one. And I think the horse is more facing sideways and facing the camera, but at the same time, I'm not getting horse vibe, I'm getting more, I don't have a neck vibe. And the way that the feet are going, they don't match up to the floor. It's almost like it's floating. And when we put the back hoof down, it's not clicking with the floor properly. It's kind of gliding like it's on a roller skate. I think for the time, it's not too bad. You know, this is very early animation for me, but at the same time, I just kind of sit there and I go, I don't know about this. Now, obviously, for those of you asking, why is it wireframe? I had a thing with wireframe back then. I really liked the look of it. I think that if I redid this project, I would definitely pay attention to the clipping right here. Then you've got this where it's not quite animated. Maybe make this hair swing a little bit more. And I think most of the hair actually is attached to the model. It's not free-flowing hair. So yeah, rating out of 1 out of 5. I'm probably going to give this a 3 out of 5 just to be generous, because it, you know, first horse builds as well, and I think the horse is a little bit overweight. I'm not going to lie on that one. I think the chest is a little bit too far out. I think that the back here is a little bit too pronounced. But for an early animation, it's not too bad. So I would say a 3 out of 5. For sure, just for this project, just as it is. Yeah, if you guys liked, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.